Hey guys, my name is Emil and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight where technology is done right. So in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you on how to fix an error where you want to download a game and Origin does not let you. It says that it has a file to download and is waiting for your permission. Okay, so to fix that error, it's pretty simple actually, so just follow my lead. Okay, so first what you're going to do is you're going to go into control panels. Please search control panel. Okay, then go into there and then go into system and security, go into security and maintenance right here, and then you can see here at the left, change user account control settings. Click on that and then the slider, drag it right down. Okay, never notify and click on OK. It will ask you for your administrator access. Just click on yes. Okay, close that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on this Windows icon, right click, don't left click, go into computer management. Okay, drag it here so you can see better. Okay, you can see here services and application. Click on that, double click, and then double click on services. What you're going to do now is you're going to scroll down until you find Origin. Hold up. Okay, this Origin client service. Okay, you're going to double click on it and it'll open this. Okay, the properties. Then you can see here it says startup type. Make sure it's set to disabled. Okay, apply and OK. Close this. Please restart your computer and now you can go and download, and it should download. So hope this video helps guys. If you have any other problems or any other questions, please put them in the comments below, and yeah, please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.